Why does your scanner show the P1B88 engine code? What does it mean? P1B88 is a diagnostic trouble code for hybrid or electric vehicle battery 55-circuit low voltage. The P1B88 engine code for indicate. Your vehicle's engine computer has detected a fault within a monitored system or component, causing it to operate outside the manufacturer's specified parameters. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel metering unit, MPROP, clogged fuel filter, bad fuel rail pressure sensor, wiring or connector issues, leaking injectors or pressure relief valve. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Lexus, and Bentley. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.